Singa and Plura's Garden Adventure A61. Adapted and modified by Kulwant Singh Sandhu. Contents: 1. Singa and Plura's Garden Adventure 2. Comprehension 3. Picture Dictionary page 1. Singa and Plura's Garden Adventure by Kulwant Sandhu. Once upon a time, in a land with many trees and flowers, there lived a little squirrel named Singa. Singa loved to collect nuts. He lived in one tree, a tall tree with green leaves. Every day, Singa looked for nuts on the ground. He was happy in his home, but one sunny morning, Singa wanted an adventure. Singa climbed his one tree. At the top, he saw one bird on a branch. "Good morning, bird," Singa said. "What is your name?" The bird flapped her wings and answered, "Good morning, Singa. My name is Plura. I see you have many nuts today." Singa smiled and showed his pile of nuts at the base of the tree. "Yes, I have many nuts. I found them on the ground," he said proudly. Plura looked down and said, "I see one lady in the garden." Singa looked too. There was one lady picking one tomato. "Look, Plura, that lady has one tomato," Singa said. Plura nodded. "Yes, and over there, I see many ladies picking many tomatoes." Singa saw the ladies in the field. They had baskets full of tomatoes. "One tomato, many tomatoes," Singa repeated, learning the words. Singa then saw one man walking near the river. The man carried one potato in his hand. "Plura, look at that man with one potato," Singa said. Plura chirped, "Yes, and look there, many men are carrying many potatoes." Singa saw the men with big bags of potatoes. "One potato, many potatoes," Singa said, practicing again. Plura flew to another branch and pointed with her wing. "Singa, do you see that one piano in the garden?" Singa looked and saw one piano under a tree. A child was playing it. "Yes, I see one piano and one child," Singa said. Plura smiled. "Look over there, many pianos are in the field and many children are playing them." Singa clapped his paws. "One piano, many pianos, one child, many children," he said, feeling smart. Singa noticed something else. "Plura, look, one mouse is running on the ground." The mouse had one tooth that was very white. Plura laughed. "Yes, and look there, many mice are running with many teeth." Singa saw the mice scampering near the river. "One mouse, one tooth, many mice, many teeth," he said, nodding. Then Singa saw one goose flying in the sky. "Plura, one goose," he shouted. Plura looked up. "Yes, and there are many geese flying together." Singa watched the geese fly in a group. "One goose, many geese," he said, learning more. Singa climbed down his one tree to explore the garden. He found one photo on the ground. It showed one deer standing near a river. "Plura, look at this photo. One deer," Singa said. Plura flew down and looked. "Yes, and in the forest there are many deer." Singa imagined many deer running together. "One deer, many deer," he repeated. Near the river, Singa saw one fish swimming. "Plura, one fish," he called. Plura looked at the water. "Yes, and there are many fish in the river." Singa saw the fish splashing together. "One fish, many fish," he said, smiling. Singa sat on the grass and thought about a story. "Plura, I have one story about my nuts," he said. Plura chirped, "I know many stories about the garden." Singa laughed. "One story, many stories," he said. At the end of the day, Singa and Plura sat on the branch of one tree. Singa looked at his pile of nuts. "I have many nuts, but only one tree," he said. Plura nodded. "And I am one bird, but I see many birds in the sky." Singa thought about everything he saw. One lady, many ladies, one tomato, many tomatoes, one man, many men, one potato, many potatoes, one piano, many pianos, one child, many children, one tooth, many teeth, one mouse, many mice, one goose, many geese, one photo, many photos, one deer, one fish, many fish, one story, many stories. Singa smiled. Plura, I learned a lot today. One is singular and many is plural. Plura flapped her wings. Yes, Singa, you are very smart. Singa felt happy. He decided to collect more nuts tomorrow, but now he also wanted to learn more words. He liked his one tree, his one friend Plura, and the many things in the garden. From that day, Singa and Plura had many adventures. They saw one flower and many flowers, one star and many stars, one cloud and many clouds. Singa learned that some things are one and some things are many. He loved his garden, his nuts, and his friend Plura. And every day, Singa and Plura told one story or many stories, happy in their land of trees and flowers. 2 comprehension questions and answers. Question 1. Who is Singa? Question 2. What does Singa like to collect? Question 3. What is the name of the bird? Question 4. How many ladies does Singa see in the garden at first? Question 5. What do many men carry in the story? Question 6. What is the plural of child? Question 7. How many teeth does one mouse have in the story? Question 8. What does Singa find on the ground? Question 9. What is the same for singular and plural, deer or goose? Question 10. What does Singa learn about one and many? Answers. Answer 1. Singa is a squirrel. Answer 2. Singa likes to collect nuts. Answer 3. The bird's name is Plura. Answer 4. Singa sees one lady in the garden at first. Answer 5. Many men carry many potatoes. Answer 6. The plural of child is children. Answer 7. One mouse has one tooth. Answer 8. Singa finds one photo on the ground. Answer 9. Deer is the same for singular and plural. Answer 10. Singa learns that one is singular and many is plural. 3 Picture Dictionary.